Welcome to CAD Legend. In this small clip, I will show you how can you make the geometric constraints inside the AutoCAD. So these are really simple for you people to understand because sometimes we need to make the constraints in between two objects, two entities. So the first one is the CNC Mate. To use it, first let me draw some lines. Second line is like this. Now I will make a coincident mate in between this line and this line. See, now they are coinciding each other. See, both of the lines are touching each other. The next constraint is the Propentible constraint. Now to use this constraint, let me draw a line like this and another line like this. Now I will come to the geometry constraint, make perpendicular, like this line and this line. Now see, these are perpendicular to each other. Now the next constraint is the parallel constraint. Now to use it, click on the parallel constraint, like this line and this line. Now see, both of the lines are parallel to each other. Next we have the tangent constraint. Now if you use it, click on the tangent constraint, like this circle and this circle. Again, make a tangent constraint in between this line and this circle. Next we have the horizontal and vertical constraints. Now to make the horizontal constraints, let me choose this vertical line. That will become horizontal. Next we have the vertical constraint. To use the vertical constraints, select this horizontal line. That will convert automatically into vertical. Next we have the Symmetric Mate. Now to use it, click on the concentric, like this circle and this circle. Okay. Remember one thing, whenever you are going to use the concentric mate, so the circle that you're going to use and select first, the secondary selected components will come inside that and will make a concentric mate. Next we have the symmetric mates. Whenever we want to symmetric any of the two objects along a certain symmetry, so for that you can select symmetric mate. Select the first object, select the secondary object, and then select the symmetry line. See? Both of the circles get symmetric along this line. Next we have the equal constraint. Click on equal like this and this. See? The last constraint that we have is the fixed constraint. If, for example, I have circles or anything you have and you want to make the constraint in between them, now they are fixed. If you want to move them, you can't move it because the selected components are fixed. So hopefully you understand the geometric constraints, how can you use it, and where you need to use it. Remember one thing, if you are new on my channel, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel, press the notification bell icon. Thanks for watching.